everyone a chance to take. You can see it if you close your eyes. We already know the way. Forever you and me, running wild and free, chasing down the sun. Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will go. There's a stirring in the ocean. There's a rhythm in the wave. It's a calling deep within your bones, and it cannot be contained. Forever you and me, running wild and free, chasing down the sun. Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will go. We will go. Forever you and me.
Joshua Andrew Gotti Rivera. Before we fell in love, I didn't know what I needed and wanted as my life partner was someone like you. I love you for who you are. I love that your actions speak louder than words. I love that you are so silly, even more than I am. I love the side of you that not many people may know.
Tammy Tui Tan Le. Today's just like any other day. The sun rose, the birds were chirping, and Josh is struggling to express himself emotionally. But that's where you come in. Tammy, you balance me out like no one else can. You're my voice, my confidant, and you're my biggest cheerleader. Tammy, I live to make you smile. This is a new emotion for me, sorry. So today, in front of all our loved ones, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, I promise to love you, Tammy, all the days of my life.
I wanted to save the full breath of how I feel for you for this very moment, on our wedding day in my vows. But now that we're here, I find it hard to sum it up. So I vow for the rest of my life to tell you and show you how much I love you, because I don't think there's any end in which I can fully express how I feel. Thank you for choosing me to be your wife, and I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. I love you.
It is an honor, sir, to pronounce you husband and wife. Yes, you may kiss your bride.
Running wild and free, chasing down the sun. Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will go. We will go.
It's now time
I feel
for the
like
grand entrance.
sunglasses, like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like
For
17.
the first time together as husband and wife, put your hands together for Mr. and Mrs. Josh and Tammy Rivera.
I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat.
Tammy, I want you to know how beautiful and amazing you are. And in case you forget, I'll always be your hype woman to remind you that you are. I look at you now and I feel beyond blessed to have met such an incredible human. You're the kind of person who deserves the sweetest love and all the best this world can give. And tonight, seeing you with Josh, I know you'll have all of those things and more.
So, seriously though, it's tough to build a relationship between two people. And when you can make it work and you can let it culminate into a marriage just like this, it deserves recognition. So with that said, I want to congratulate you, Josh and Tammy, and I want to wish you a lifetime.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can't